Parts of speech work together to form our language system, enabling us to communicate meaningfully. Here is how they function. Number one, noun. Nouns identify entities, concepts, or objects. Example given: dog, city, happiness. Number two, verbs. Express actions, events, or states. Example given: run, eat, be. Number three, adjectives. Modify nouns or pronouns describing qualities. Example given: happy, big, blue. Number four, adverbs. Modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs describing manner, time, place, or frequency. Example given: quickly, very, well. Number five, pronouns. Replace nouns in a sentence referring to individuals or groups. Example given: he, she, it. Number six, prepositions. Show relationships between entities indicating location, direction, time, or other connections. Example given: in, on, under. Number seven, conjunctions. Connect words, phrases, or clauses forming relationships between ideas. Example given: and, but, or. Number eight, and the last part of speech. Interjections express emotions or feelings often used to convey strong emotions. Example given: oh, ouch, wow. These parts of speech work together to form phrases and clauses, create sentences and statements, express meaning and context, convey tone and attitude, facilitate communication and understanding. For example, the happy dog. Noun part: runs, verb part: quickly, adverb part: around, preposition part, the corner, again, noun part. So here we can see that how parts of speech work together. She, pronoun, eats. Verb, a sandwich, noun, and conjunction brings verb, a glass, noun, or water, noun. By combining parts of speech, we can convey complex ideas, express ourselves, and share our thoughts and experiences with others. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक एंड शेयर.